So the whole thing is, you started with this point, whatever this point was in your life, whatever age, whatever accomplishments you have, failures, whatever you have, ये point से start किया है. Now you have to reach somewhere you've planned. This is not going to be a straight line. You are going to face all kind of problems here, because this is, you have to enjoy this. Once you become this, you don't know whether you like it or not. Destination, most of the times you'll see in life, you want something, the moment you get it, you realize yahi tha bas. Destination doesn't give a lot of joy, what the process does. And the process is not going to move like this, the process is going to move like this. They're going to move up, move down. You have to endure. This enduring the process is what is building your. फेल हो जाएंगे, फेल यहाँ पे ही थे, यहाँ से उड़ने की कोशिश की है, गिरोगे भी तो आगे ही गिरोगे. Whatever you have done, you have not failed because you are moving one step ahead, no matter what step ahead, whether you reach here or not. Till here you have not, whatever you have gained, whatever you lost. यहाँ पे you are going to gain something out of the whole process, which is going to build your. Yesterday or day before, Dhoni said this in the match. Why do you think a lot of people who have failed elsewhere join his team and then start scoring? Not Shivam Dube, usse pehle the opener also. Not Rahane, Ruturaj Gaikwad. Lagatar ducks, or everyone who's failed joins his team, starts winning. And this he says at the toss. I don't care what the result is. I focus on building characters. I focus on the process. I don't care कि यहाँ पहुँच रहे नहीं पहुँच रहे. And for you, everything is a win only because your starting point was here. तो या उड़ रहे हो या यहाँ हो, कहीं भी गिरोगे तो आगे ही गिरोगे पिछले पॉइंट से. You're not going to fail. This is not a failure. This is success because life you are going to win. The character you're building, because इस साल में you're going to learn a lot of things because what you have not done before, ये तो कुछ matter ही नहीं करता. So whatever people think prelims fail हो गया, mains fail हो गया, they don't understand what you've gained in the process. Everybody is going to question only on what happened here. They're not understanding what is happening here. Because whatever you learn in life is happening here itself. Now whatever you do, success happens, failure happens, whatever you do in life, this is going to be permanent because you've endured the process. You won't be afraid of anything because you've gone through this, and everybody has to go through this. कहीं shortcut मिले यहाँ नहीं पहुँचोगे. Your character will develop. You become a good administrator here. The post, the ISDM doesn't give you that post. Your name gives you that post. तो वो name में addition कैसे होगा? When you go through the process, you endure everything. Your character is here. You have to build that, irrespective anyone is questioning. And what does he say at the last? No matter what happens, I am going to love you. So your family and friends, they're always going to be there, no matter what happens. सबसे ज़्यादा इन्हीं की expectation का डर होती है. और problem इंडिया में क्या है? The family doesn't show love. Expression of love is not there. उनका negative reinforcement होता है. They try to show care, but ये मत करो, ये मत खाओ, वो मत करो. Trying to show care, but through negative reinforcement. They don't show that they do. At the end of the day, they are going to remain there, irrespective of whatever you achieve here. Expectations, because they don't understand the love language. ये society है इंडिया में, दिखाना love is showing weakness. So they won't show that they protect you or they want whatever happens at the end. What he said, that no matter what happens, I love you. ये बोलते नहीं है parents इंडिया में. वो ये बोले नहीं हो रहा, ये कर लो, वो कर लो. Negatively, they want to, because वो weakness, because love, what they think is weakness. Violence portray कर देंगे, थप्पड़ मारेंगे सामने. But nobody would kiss in front. The expression of violence is public, expression of love is not. This is why people don't go through this process कि क्या हो जाएगा. So don't think this is going to happen. And the second part, friends. This also they'll understand. And friends, I don't mean everyone. You understand what friends are. What exactly is a friend? Who sees the truth? Instagram की post की बातें मत करोगे. You tag a friend who sees the truth in you. Who is a friend? Huh? Childhood. हाँ? गड़बड़ में साथ में. गड़बड़ में लाने वाला भी वही होने वाला. The whole idea is that this is someone told me and this is what I think is the true definition. रात को 2 बजे अगर आप फोन करो तो या आएंगे 2 लाख या आएगी तलवार. And he's not asking you the reason why. He's not asking you the reason why. What do you need? This or this? I'm going to die for you and I'm going to give you the money because most of the problem यही solve हो जाएंगे without asking a reason. So someone who's there for you without asking a reason, he'll understand what the process is. He'll never question. उनकी expectations नहीं होगी. Rest of the world, you don't have to care what they are saying. It's easy for them from the outside to say, नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ. They don't understand what you are trying to do here. Normal life तो उनकी चल ही रही है. They did not start something here. Whatever normal life they were living, they're living the normal life here itself. They're not going up, they're not going down. They're not enduring anything. What you are doing is special. So enjoy this, trust this, and for this, you have to believe in yourself. If you don't do it, nobody else is going to. If you think people are going to believe in you, that's never going to happen. Don't put any of your things in someone else. Do it in yourself. And 2-3 months you do it, you get the confidence that it is possible, I will be able to. And even if you don't, you know what finance commission is. Nobody else knows that. You know what fiscal it is. You know what direct tax is. So it prepares you for life. You'll do ethics, you'll do society, you'll do history. Mughals हटा रहे हैं, नहीं हटा रहे, हो रहा नहीं हो रहा. You have so many options because you have an opinion across everything. And the most important thing, you prepared for the subjects enduring the whole cycle. So what builds in your personality is the most important thing. वो personality वो कहीं नहीं जाएगी, irrespective या होगा नहीं होगा. बिना उसके process के if you think you're going to clear it, you're not going to get anything. वो DC बन के IPS, SP बन के भी वो मजे नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि this doesn't have the power. Your character doesn't reflect it. People are not going to respect it. So enjoy the process, believe in yourself, and what he says, you will have to take the hits. The glory is not in falling. Glory is getting every time up when you fall. So this is what the cycle has to move. ये ऐसे ही move करेगा. कभी अच्छा लगेगा, कभी नहीं लगेगा. Age लग रही है बहुत हो गई है. जल्दी क्या है? At least you stopped at 32 to think what you want in life. You are adding something to your life which you would have not done if you did not have started the process. Normal तो चल ही सकती है, job कर सकते हो, सब कुछ कर सकते हो. So here you are adding something. Focus this, and this is going. Believe in yourself. अपने आप बनेगा और होगा ये. And sometimes when you get exhausted, so you're reading for 3 days, 4 days, you get exhausted. Take a break. एक दिन 2 दिन नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, take a break. Take more breaks. Have habits what you want to do apart from studies. जिम जाना है, मूवी देखनी है, कुछ भी करना है, take it. Take 1 day, 2 day break. And this is something your body will give up. If you study for 8 to 10 hours, 3 hours consecutive, 3 days consecutively, 4th day you're not going to move. So it's stop blaming yourself for that. Enjoy the moment. यहाँ कोई नहीं एक दिन लगेगा. जल्दी नहीं है ना, क्योंकि you're starting at certain point. There's no 31 पे बनो, 32 पे बनो, 35 पे बनो, कभी भी बनो, बनोगे तो है, नहीं भी बनोगे तो ये तो है. So there's no hurry to run. You just keep moving, inch by inch keep moving, and remember it's not a straight line, it has to happen like this. Only 2 things here, family and friends. Family तो बोलती नहीं है support है, but it is a support. They will never say negative reinforcement because this is a society. Ethics पढ़ने के बाद ये समझ आ जाएगा that this is what our society is driven like this, that it always say negative things, not positive. So it acts as a burden, but you need to have that capacity to understand why they are saying it. And at the end of the day, forget failing here, forget failing here. You don't do anything in life. Your parents are not going to throw you out of the house. All their life they have only accumulated things just to give it for you. आपका ही starting point ऐसा बना दिया पूरी लाइफ में कमा के कि आपको कुछ ना करना पड़े पूरी लाइफ. वो आप कर रहे हो, वो आपका खुद का है. Because you want to be someone. For them you will always be there. So don't take the pressure which they think are putting. They're not accustomed to show love. So cut them some slack because this is what we love. वो जो वहाँ से सीखा है वही हम कर रहे हैं. Without understanding कि नहीं थोड़ा express कर लेंगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा लग सकता है. Same thing with friends. People who don't want, and I'm telling you, a lot of people don't want you to succeed. उनको है कहीं बन ना जाए. वो रिजल्ट पूछेंगे, अरे कहीं बन तो नहीं गया. This is what the people there are only for fun. You don't have to take them seriously. The moment I was giving the exam, everybody was scared that I would clear. So I have a couple of friends, basketball का पूरा group, so they were feared. Exam के दिन phone करते थे, oh shit interview आ गया, shit ये हो जाएगा. And the moment they knew I'm not interested, first day I came on the ground and someone called me, छोटा SP कहाँ है? So he said this SP would be if you clear interview गए तो you are छोटा SP. So I don't care what he says because his mind is not grown up. A lot of time people when they judge, they are reflecting their own things, not you. So don't think what people are going to say. Enjoy this. Because this is not going to come again. Life में एक break लेके या job के साथ किसी के साथ भी ये process में enter किया है, enjoy the process. And I'm telling you, you're going to get 100 different options if not this. If this is the best thing, not this is going to turn you into a different human being altogether. I have experienced this myself. This is what I'm saying. Control. This point I realized कि इस life में कुछ नहीं है. You've already done यू हैव टू ऐड समथिंग बियॉन्ड अ पॉइंट. यहाँ पहुंचते पहुंचते समझ आए ये चाहिए ही नहीं. जो चाहिए वो अपने आप मिल गया इसी प्रोसेस में. बिकॉज आई न्यू आई कुड डू इट. इवन इफ आई डोंट डू इट, wherever I fall will be better than this place. उड़ने की कोशिश की, गिरे भी तो आगे ही गिरेंगे, पीछे नहीं जा रहे. At the end of the day, what you're doing here in this process, you're reading. You're not doing anything bad. You're not wasting your time anywhere else. Wasting कर रहे होगे, but major time तो इसी में कर रहे हो. So you're not doing something bad. So nothing bad can come out of it. जब कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे तब भी यहाँ तक तो पहुंचे ही हो. उसके बाद तो अब ऐड ही कर रहे हो. तो why you're scared? This is why. If you, this is everywhere it's present. Why do you think Virat Kohli can score or anyone else can score? Because they believe in themselves. Everybody can say कि नहीं होगा इससे. कर लेता ना पूरे इंडिया जब मैच देखती है तब कर लेते हैं परफॉर्म. कैसे कर लेते हैं? Because he's enjoying the process. 5 बार 0 पे भी आउट होता है, अगली बार भी you expect कि he'll score. Why? Because he's done this. He's gone through the process. He's built that character. So when the whole world is watching, still he doesn't care. He knows what he's built. So same thing is going to happen with you. Stop thinking about the end result. Enjoy the process. People are going to stay with you. Whoever matters is going to stay. और matter की definition सिर्फ यही है.